I'm going to read this book to you. Try to copy every word I say and sound exactly like me. Mr. and Mrs. Dursley of number 4, Privet Drive, were proud to say that they were perfectly normal, thank you very much. They were the last people you expect to be involved in anything strange or mysterious, because they just didn't hold with much nonsense. Mr. Dursley was the director of a firm called Grunnings, which made drills. He was a big, beefy man with hardly any neck, although he did have a very large mustache. Keep listening to this video, read along with me as I am reading, and match my voice to yours. This way, you will sound more American.